Welcome back to Manjula Devi Murugesh Software Training Center. In this video, we are going to see how to add levels. Okay, so actually, this is we are working in linked file. Okay, in linked file, let the file open. Right. Okay, we are having this is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. But here in my mechanical or electrical lighting power I am having only two levels. If I have two levels only, I can work up to this level and this level. How to work on this level? For that we need to add levels. Okay, for that there are two methods are there. One is copy monitor method and another one is without copy monitor. Since this file is already copy, I have already done copy monitoring. Now we are going to see the first method, copy monitor, using copy monitor. Okay, actually here see we are seeing up to level 5, but level 5, that is 05 para, I didn't copy. Let us see what happens if I didn't copy. Go to view, in create plan views. Okay, first what we are going to add is mechanical floor plans. Okay, just go for plan view, floor plan. See, just I am having 03 S of 7th floor, 04 roof. 05 is not there because I didn't copy. Okay, now what will do, just I'll go for copy monitor, just I'll copy that level also. Okay, copy level 5, finish. Now I go for view, plan view, floor plan. See, okay, 03, 04, 05. Now I select all by clicking, click OK. See, now now these levels are added. So I want to rename this. Okay, because here to make say if it is like same, it will be easy. So I click this, rename 3, type the name 3 make, click OK. And would you like to rename corresponding level and views? Don't click yes, click no. If click yes, what will happen? No, here instead of 3 make, okay, it will come as a this one. Okay, here also it will come as a 3 make instead of 02 or 03. Then it will then you will get confused. Okay, so see, this is 04, it's here also 04. If I change this to, I am going to change this 4 make, click OK. Just I am going to click rename the corresponding levels and views. See what happens. So it will create problem. Okay, so just I go for, just select this level, change this name to 04 roof, click no. Okay, if we click yes means once again here also it will get changed. So like that we need to change this thing. Okay, 05 para, no needed, just forget about that. Now I added here for floor plan, I added for mechanical, but now I want to add for floor plan lighting. Okay, floor plans lighting. So just go for view, already we have used this, click floor plan. Now nothing is there because since I already added everything, nothing will be there. So here down under, do not duplicate the existing views, one thing is there. Okay, just untick, you will get level 3, level 4, level 5. Just I just add 03 SF. What happens? It's not getting added here, just it's getting added here in mechanical, not in lighting. Why? Because one thing before adding I need to do one thing. Go for view, floor plan. Okay, So go for edit type. Okay, already added. I want to add for other views. Just to go for edit type. In edit type properties, identity data, view template separate to new views. What is here? It's mechanical. That's why it's sitting in mechanical. Now I'm going to change this to electrical plan, and here you can see discipline electrical, subdiscipline power. Okay, let it be power. Click OK. Click OK. Now add this 3. See, now it's in power. Okay, but it's not in lighting. Okay, just you can rename this, but here I am not going to rename. You try renaming. Okay, just once again. Now we can add like this for floor lighting also, but I am going to change this as a lighting. What happens? From power is getting changed to lighting. It should not happen like this. So what should we do? Okay, this type properties okay, we will see later about what how it will react, because if you are working in type properties, if you are changing anything in that, okay, wherever that component or types we are using, entire thing will be get changed, because this template also in type properties. Okay, if you are changing any changes, if you are using same electrical plan template, then wherever is electrical plan template is there, entire thing will get changed. If you should not do like this, means go for duplicate. Just I am going for electrical plan lighting. Click OK. Now change this to lighting. Click OK. Now see, it's not changed, still it's in power only, it's not shifted because I changed the template. Okay, I create a new template, duplicate a new template. Click OK. Now untick this. See, now I am having in floor plan lighting and power also. Like this only you need to add for plumbing also. Okay, right, plumbing you try. But now I want to add for ceiling plan. How to do? It's here already, reflected ceiling. Just I add only one, but what happens? It's not getting added here. It goes for coordination. So I will remove. Why it happens like this? Let us check. Go for this. Okay, click edit type, identity data, view template applied to new views. Here none is there. That's why. If it is none, what will happen? No, in option already we seen this new view options. Here it is, what is default view discipline is coordination. That's why it's creating coordination in that the default template view new template is sitting. Okay, so I'll go for here edit type, change this to mechanical. Okay, OK, select this, click OK. Now ceiling plan is added. Like this electrical, for electrical, but for electrical no need to do duplicate, because in power we are not having ceiling plan. In lighting only we are having ceiling plan, so you need to do this. Like this you can add your levels. Okay, this is method 1. Okay, I don't want to do copy monitor. Without copying, can I add these levels? Yes, you can. We will see that method also. Just I will close this. Okay, just I select empty default, system default. I will insert link files. Or spelling origin. Okay, so now I go for elevation. Okay, by see this elevation, default elevation is at 10 feet, and in my this thing linked file is 12 feet. So select this and edit the dimension to 12 feet. Okay, now I need to add this to 3 levels. Just go for architect tab. Here you can see, okay, levels. Select this pick line, and see it's 12, 24, 36. That means 12 feet. So just offset is 12 feet. Select this, then go for 3 feet because 39. See, automatically it's added, but it looks somewhat different. Okay, so you need to rename this to 3 mech, 4 mech, and 5 mech. Now you need to add, using the same concept, you can add these items. Okay, do not duplicate these items. Already we have seen in copy in monitor. Same way you can add for lighting, power, and plumbing. Okay, you try this. If you are facing any problem, just put in comment. I will explain once again. Thank you.